To show you how to make soft, delicious pretzels so you do not have to spend your money at the mall or wherever. What is going on, y'all? This is Powerfully Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make pretzels. So, honestly, you're just going to dump all the ingredients into your stand mixer. Dump it like you dump all of your stuff when you got a little spin a night bag, okay? Get it all mixed up until it's like a ball. Mixed up like these hoes, mixy this summer, all types of mixed up. Bow. All right, oil that up. Oil it. Make sure it's oiled like Pretty Ricky would do. Okay, cover it. Like you gotta cover your nipples on Instagram. Boom! You see how it rose halfway? You gotta punch that hoe like you wish you could have punched a hoe in high school. And then you're going to knead it out and divide it. And we're gonna roll it. Roll it like Play-Doh when you was back in elementary school. So, and then you're gonna twist it like you're gonna do a 2-strand twist. My sisters know what I'm talking about. And then you just gently like kind of pinch it in so it stays. And see, voila. But okay, now don't get ahead of yourself. Don't worry about the extra twist. It was a mess up. But you're going to put it in boiling water with baking soda. It's necessary. That's what gives it the pretzel taste. Do not skip it. And then you're going to top it with salt. Pop it in the oven, okay? Oh, that's my focusing face. And look at that deliciousness. So good, so delicious. You're going to top it with melted butter and you are done.
I'm more of a mustard girl, but you can enjoy this with cheese. Let me know in the comments what you prefer and see you in next week's video.